Fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann, and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be doing an update on week 1 of Paycheck 2 for September. We will see what all we paid this week and what we have left for next week. We will also be doing our second half of our cash stuffing. So if you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So guys, I am a little stuffy. My allergies have been on 10 for the last week. So hopefully that does not affect how I sound in this video. So let's get started and let's see how we did. So for our paycheck from September the 15th through September the 28th, in expenses for week 1, our car payment for $369.89 has come out. Our phone bill for $366.33 has come out, which is a difference of $1.34. YouTube TV of $83.88 has come out, and that is a difference of $1.09, which it went up a little bit. Google Fiber for $71.40. Home Alarm for $50.64. Our Netflix for $21.79, Amazon Prime for $16.19, and Google Storage for $1.99. That came up to a total of $982.11, which leaves us $327.69 to work with for week 2. For our cash envelopes, we spent $158 in groceries, $95 in gas, $15 in personal, $15 in lunch, nothing in miscellaneous, and nothing in household. That came up to $283, which leaves us $377 to work with for next week. In our income versus our expenses, our income was $2,159.80, minus the expenses for week 1 of $982.11. and minus the cash envelopes for week 1, which was $283, and minus our sinking funds of $140. That leaves us $754.69 to work with our expenses for next week. So fam, that is all for this portion of the video. So now we're going to stuff the second half of our cash envelopes for week 2 and see how much we saved. So in household, we saved $10. In miscellaneous, we also saved $10. In my lunch, I saved $15. And in my personal, I also saved $15. So it gives me 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50 that I saved. And let's see what we're going to stuff this week. So it gives us 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 130 is what we're going to be stuffing. And we're going to start with the cash envelopes, and of course household is going to get $10. Miscellaneous is also going to get $10. I'm going to get 15 for my lunch. And I'm also going to get 15 for my personal. So I'm going to put these aside. And my husband's going to get 15 for his lunch and 15 for his personal. So that gives him 10, 20, 25, 30, which I am going to put aside. and we're going to stuff our cash envelopes. So of course Beauty is getting the $30 that I saved. So it gives me 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100 in Beauty. And that gives me $20 left. So backup funds, I'm going to put 15 in. So I'm going to put this 20 in, and I'm going to take out $5. So that gives us 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 8, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 89, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. $995 in our backup funds. And this last 5 is going to go in Christmas. So it gives us 1, 2, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 82, 84. $284 in Christmas. And that is all for this binder. So fam, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.